what is up? Welcome back to another video. So a lot of you have been asking me to do like a day in the life or more videos and document more of my journey, and I was thinking to just combine the two to document day in the life. And I was thinking that's sort of like a vlog. I get some questions that are like, what time do I wake up? And to be honest, I don't really have a time, especially because I'm not at uni. I don't really have a proper schedule. It could literally range from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I would naturally wake up around 7 though, like 7 or 8. Don't want to be waking up at 5 a.m. every single time. That's just me though. Like, it's cool if you do, but I mean, it's all part of like your lifestyle. Like, don't think that you're not going to be successful or whatever because you're not waking up at 5 a.m. Some people, you know, they'll be grinding out real hard at night and then you just wake up a little later. So it all depends. And as you saw in the little intro, first thing I do is let some light in. Natural light really helps me to wake up. Do my bed, literally like my first one of the day. Again, it just carries on momentum and it's a really good habit to just get that done. And then after that, hydrate, obviously, it's so important. Now, I don't really know about you guys, but I write on my journal. I will always do it every day, but sometimes not when I fully wake up. Again, I'm like, every day just changes for me. I don't really have that much of a strict routine, just because I'm very like flexible with whatever happens. So I'll do 5 affirmations and then 5 values. A big one for me right now is growth and focus. I feel like I've slowed down a little bit during my holiday season, so I feel like my focus has been a bit off, and I've been trying to work on it. Even meditation, I've been trying to get back into it, but I've just been finding it very difficult. This is all me opening it up to you guys, saying how, like, you know, I'm not perfect. It's all part of the journey. I'm still making progress though, so it's all good. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of hustlers out there that are like, no, I gotta wake up at 5, go to the gym, fucking grind, and I'm just like, yo. Alright, so today I want to get some back testing done. That's what we're going to do now. What's up guys, it's currently Saturday, and usually during the weekends that's when I'm going to start to do my weekly analysis for all the trades that I've taken and just any like self-reflections or lessons learned during this week. And actually just wanted to show you this platform that I've been using. I came across this app called Notion. Basically it looks like this. Check it out, notion.so. And I prefer it over Evernote and Apple Notes. This is basically what it's like, and I can just go into my weekly SR, and then I've got, you know, my university stuff. I mean, it's just a lot more customizable. I think it's just much more worth it for the price you do have to pay, but I think it'll be very valuable and just increase productivity by a ton. Hey guys, I just wanted to share a trade that I took last week and this Monday. I took a risk entry for short here and a reduced risk down here. I'm on replay mode and I just changed the values just for privacy. So the first one, my thought process behind this one was that it's, you know, I took it as a risk entry for the downside. On the lower time frame, on the 15-minute chart, it was showing an ascending channel, and I set the order just 4 to 6 pips below it, with the first target to down here and the larger target to the beginning of the correction. And I got triggered in, I was asleep, and I mean, this is really off-putting, right, this retracement candle. If I was awake, I would probably be worrying and whatnot, thinking that price isn't ready yet. But anyways, I was asleep then, so let's just keep going. It chopped around a little bit and I woke up, what the time is it, 9 o'clock. And I was like thinking, okay, it's gaining momentum to come down, but then it just continues to chop. And I just knew like the old me would be freaking out, like, okay, I would get very emotional thinking like, why isn't it dropping? And just having this expectation that the market would have to come to the downside because of my bias. I looked left and saw how like it chopped a little bit before it did decide to come to the downside. It wasn't like the sexy trade that we would prefer, like the ideal trade. Sometimes it will be ugly, and we just got to learn how to trade the market ugly, like Mark always says. I continued to have my stop where it was, and there's been a lot of times where I would move it to break even too quickly, get tapped out, and then it goes. I was holding it, and funny enough, I actually ended up manually closing for a break even. So I believe I closed around green one. 8 o'clock. Only because, you know, the fear creeps in and I just wanted to, like, when I'm really uncertain about something, that's when I just get out. Anyways, literally the hour after things started to come down. And, you know, I was actually glad that, you know, my analysis was correct in the end. I just lacked patience. So I was not dwelling on it and I just told myself I'm gonna look for another opportunity. Anyway, some plans for today is I'm gonna do my ASR. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. I'm gonna work on some goals that I want to achieve in like September time and start to just plan out my life and refine my trading plan. There's also a Falcon meetup next week, the 14th, so probably in the next video you see I'll be like in the meetup. I've already missed 2 meetups, so I'll make this one for sure. And yeah guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been a short one. Still trying to get used to this vlog style. I'm currently filming on my phone. All of this is going to be filmed on my phone. Just keeping it simple. Stay tuned for the next one.